So we made it to the unit. Squirty. So update, nandito na kami sa unit, but the key is missing. I don't know, hindi namin nakuha sa concierge. I don't know, pero nandun na bumaba sila. Akala ko kasi naka-passcode pala. Key pala siya. This is our unit. Be home for the next 4 days, I think. Mag-room tour tayo mamaya. Room tour. This is the door. This is the CR. Wait. Libre. This is the dining table. Ayan. Ang aming mga gamit. May induction cooker. May ref. May cabinets. May... Wait lang. Ayan. Sala. Maliit. And this is the most exciting part. Excuse me, my dear. Alexa. Be. Diba? The view. We're heading out to buy dinner. Din time. We're going.
It makaradlok man laha. Kulon. Tuan.
Sana gumagana. Good morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. We're here in Cebu. We're just chilling because it is the calm before the storm. Ay, mag-worship song para... Ay! Para pumasa. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin namin. Mag-swimming, gumala, lahat. Para malibang. Hindi mag-overthink. Bye-bye, guys. We will update you later. We're here. We're heading to the pool, guys. We're on the 10th floor. So may bayad nga ng 250 per head. Look at our eyes. Ako pala, guys. Hindi na ako nag-video kahapon. Pumunta kami sa church.
Lord, papasa kami. Lord,
Papasa.
RMD na kami.
4/4. Wag mong kalimutan, Lord. 4 kami, ha? 4. Di pwedeng 2 lang, 3, 4.
Isabit mo si Rose.
Aseros. From Ebsu.
Top 1.
Nothing but the top. It's either you pass or you top. Choose your best.
Choose your
Armor.
fighter.
Thank you, Lord. Ebsu! 1 Ebsu! Mamamayagpag ang Ebsu kahit
Forward and beyond.
forward and beyond. Dito, kahit isang beses.
Wala, nag-iig.
Okay, welcome to day 2 of the journey.
Dito ng pagiging RMD.
Anik-anik.
Day 2 ng aking GI na nababaliw.
Kami na
Yung stress top. Pwede lang din stress tops nga commercial. Grabe na yan.
The very tired girls. Welcome to IT Park.